Good morning, dear students. In this video, I'm going to explain scene 6 of Chitra written by Rabindranath Tagore. Chitra was in love with Arjuna. Arjuna tells Madana and Vasanta how on seeing Arjuna she had broken her bow and cast away her arrows, changed her man's costume to a woman's. Chitra begs with the two gods Madana and Vasanta. Madana and Vasanta. Chitra begs Madana and Vasanta to give her a day of perfect beauty so she can win the love of Arjuna and have just one night of love with him. The two gods give her not just one day but an entire year to spend with Arjuna. Chitra shines with a beauty. The next scene here, the scene 5 opens with Arjuna marveling over the perfect beauty he has seen. Chitra enters and Arjuna immediately starts a conversation with her. He requests to know what she is searching for. Chitra deliberately replies that she is searching for the man of her dream, that is Arjuna. Arjuna replies that he is Arjuna, the man of her dream. Arjuna said that he will break his oath of celibacy. We can say that chastity. He accepts the beautiful Chitra, but Chitra is not ready to accept him no longer. Arjuna replies that he is Arjuna, the man of her dream, but she is not ready. Chitra is extremely unhappy because Arjuna is not attracted towards the original Chitra, but he is attracted towards the temporary beauty of Chitra. She knows that her beauty is not the reality but an illusion. After 1 year, she would not be beautiful. She is also unhappy that the man like Arjuna, who is famous for his oaths, easily broke his oath of celibacy to enjoy her beauty. Later, the next day, Chitra admits to Madana and Vasanta that she had spurned Arjuna due to him falling for what she saw as a false image of herself. The two gods scold her as they had only given her what she had asked for. Chitra replies that despite their gift, she sees the perfect beauty as a being separate from herself, and that even if she had slept with Arjuna, it would not be the true her, that he loved only her beauty, not her feelings. She is full of regrets because Arjuna had loved only this borrowed beauty. She is afraid that her body has become her own rival. Vasanta advises Chitra to go to Arjuna and spend the year with him, and that at the year's end Arjuna will be able to accept the true Chitra when the perfect beauty of Chitra is over. Chitra does so, but throughout their year together, she assumes that Arjuna will not love her once the year is up. After much time has passed, Arjuna begins to grow restless and desireless to hunt once again. He also begins to ask Chitra questions about her identity and past, wondering if she has anyone at home that is missing her. Chitra remarks that she has no past and that she is as transient as a drop of dew, which upsets Arjuna. With the year is going to be ended, Chitra requests the two gods to make her most beautiful in the last night with Arjuna. The gods grant a tremendous beauty to Chitra. So with this, the scene 6 ends.